Speed passage English 60. Para. The main function of the post office is to collect letters posted by the public, sort and dispatch them to various destinations where these can be delivered to the addresses at the post office counter. Letters and parcels are accepted for registration and insurance. Money orders are issued. Saving bank transactions are made, and other transactions like renewal of radio license, payment of telephone revenue bills, sale of revenue stamps, etc. are undertaken. The post office is primarily intended for the common man. It has been the constant endeavor for the department to ensure that the customer is served politely and promptly by delivering his mail speedily at his residence and helping him to put through his transactions quickly at the post office counter. Para. At the time of India's independence, there were about 20,000 post offices in India, and many of the villagers had to walk very long distance to the nearest post office for their transactions. It was therefore decided to increase the number of post offices, especially in the rural areas, and at the end of last year there were about 2 lakh post offices in India, about 80% of them being in rural areas, bearing in a few cases now no villager need walk more than 2 kilometers to reach the nearest post office for his transactions. Letter boxes are planted in most of the important villages, and these are cleared at periodical intervals or stopped.